Hello children, today we will see some more addition problems and how to do them. But before that, let us see what are the terms that are generally used in addition problem. Now you can see here addition, altogether, join, sum, plus, add, combined, in all, both, total, increase. These are some of the terms that are generally used for addition. You can see here, this is a symbol of addition. Okay, this is the symbol of addition. Now let us see some addition problem and how we can do them. You can see this question. Find the sum of 57 and 33. Sum. Now here the word sum only means that we have to do addition. These are some of the terms. Just now I showed you some terms. Now this sum is one of those terms. When sum is written in any of the question, it means you have to do addition. And what do you have to add? The numbers that are given in that problem. यहाँ पे सम लिखा हुआ है मतलब आपको इन्हें ऐड करना है. यहाँ पे क्या है नंबर्स 57 and 33. Let us add these numbers. These numbers are two digit numbers. So first we will write two places. We know it as, what are the two places? These two digit numbers are representing two places, that is ones and tens place. Okay, two digit numbers are up to tens place. So now let us write these numbers ones and tens. Okay, I have marked the two places. Now I will write the number 57. 7 is at ones place and 5 is at tens place. So here also I will write it like that. 7 at ones place and 5 at tens place. And 33. And what we have to do? We have to sum it. We have to add it. Okay. So I'll put the symbol of addition. This is a symbol of addition. 33. 3 is at ones place and 3 is at tens place also. So here 3 at ones place and 3 at tens place. Now we will add it. Addition always starts from ones place. Okay, so you have to start addition from ones place. You will start addition here below O. 7 and 3. 7 plus 3. Okay, so how you can do the addition? I told you, I have already told you. You can take one number and the other number you can take in on your fingers, or you can make lines. Here 3 is there, so I made 3 lines. 7 plus 3. After 7 I'll start counting these 3. This can be done on fingers also. 7, after that 8, 9, 10. Okay, so what did I get here? 10. But this 10 is also having two places, ones place and tens place. So what I should do now? I'll write ones place below ones and tens place below tens place, and then add the numbers in the tens place. Here we have got a two digit number. Two digit number means that number is up to tens place. Here we are writing numbers below ones place, so we will write ones place number here and tens place number will go to tens place, and there we will do the addition. ओके, ये वंस प्लेस में इस एडिशन का हमें जो रिजल्ट आया वो 10 है, जो कि एक टू डिजिट नंबर है. इसमें दो प्लेसेस हैं, टू डिजिट नंबर वंस प्लेस एंड टेंस प्लेस. अब हम क्या करेंगे? जो वंस प्लेस वाला 0 है दैट विल बी रिटन एट वंस प्लेस, और जो टेंस प्लेस पे आपको 1 मिला है आप उसे टेंस प्लेस के नीचे 1 लिख दोगे, और यहाँ पे जितने भी टेंस प्लेस के नंबर हैं वी विल ऐड ऑल ऑफ देम, हम उन्हें ऐड कर लेंगे. अभी टेंस प्लेस में वी आर हैविंग 3 नंबर्स, 1 + 5 + 3. So what we will do? 1 + 5 is 6 and 3 we can take it on our fingers or we can make lines here. So 1 plus 5 is 6. After 6 we will start our counting 7, 8, 9. It is better to do addition using forward counting. Okay, take one number on in one number with you and other number can be taken on fingers or lines can be made and then counting can be done. Okay, so 57, find the sum of 57 and 33. 57 plus 33 is 90. Okay, let us do some more question to understand this in a better manner. Add 56 and 77. Here this word add says you have to add it. आपको इसे प्लस करना है, आपको इसका एडिशन फाइंड आउट करना है. तो एडिशन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए what you are supposed to do? First you will write the places, ones place and tens place. Okay, then you will write the number in these places and add it. Okay, 56, 6 is at ones place and 5 is at tens place. In this number 56, 6 is at ones place and 5 is at tens place. So I wrote 6 at ones place and 5 at tens place. We have to add it. So I will put the symbol of addition here. And 77, 7 is at ones place and other 7 is at tens place. So I am writing 7 here and 7 here also. Okay, now let us add it. I have told you addition में it is better आप larger number को अपने पास रखो और smaller number को fingers पे ले लो या उसकी lines बना के उसे add कर लो. Okay, now the smaller number here is 6. So I made 6 lines here. After 7, we can add 6 plus 7 or we can add 7 plus 6. In addition, we can do it both the ways. Okay. So since 7 was larger, I took 7 with me and 6 I have written here, or you can take it on your fingers also, and then we will count it. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what did I get here? 13. Now this 13 is also a 2-digit number. And here we are writing according to places. So in ones place we will write the ones place part of this 13. What is the ones place part here? 3 is at ones place and tens 1 is at tens place. So below ones place we will write 3 and tens place will be written below tens place. Now here we have to add 1 plus 5 plus 7. So 1 plus 5 is 6 and adding 7 more to it. Let us make lines or you can take it on your fingers also. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 1 plus 5 is 6 and after 6 we'll start these 7 countings. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We got 13 again. Now this 13 can be written here like this. Okay, 3 is below, this 3 is below tens place and this one comes to hundreds place. Okay, so adding 56 and 77, what we are getting? 133. I'll show you one more problem to understand it in a better manner. How much is the total of 49 and 27? Total, again, what does total means? You have to add. These are some of the words that are, these are some of the terms that are used for addition only. Okay. So here the term is total, means you have to add, and what you have to add? 49 and 27. Again we will do it in the same manner. First we will write the places ones and tens. Okay, then we will write the number. In this number 49, 9 is at ones place and 4 is at tens place. Adding it, we will put the symbol of addition. In this number 27, 7 is at ones place and 2 is at tens place. So here I am writing 7 and 2 at tens place. Now we will add it. What we can do, we can add it in both the ways, 9 plus 7 or 7 plus 9. But it is better to take the larger number with you and make lines or take out your fingers of the smaller number. So here it is 7. So I'll make 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can take it on your fingers also. Okay. And after 9, we'll start our counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so now again the 16, out of this ones place number will be written here below ones place, and tens place number will come to tens place. Now adding these, 1 plus 4 is 5 and 2 more after 5, 6 and 7. So adding these, what do we get? 49 and 27. 49 plus 27, that is 76. In this way you can do addition in which carry over comes, in which you get 2-digit number at ones place. Okay, this type of addition is called addition with regrouping. Practice this and try more problems to learn this in a better manner. Okay, thank you children.